Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Clea.
And mine is Andrew.
Today we're in Minecraft Education Edition and we're going to do the animal tutorial.
So this is in Microsoft MAKECODE.
Yeah, so let's go. Mobs. Bouncing pigs.
So the pigs will bounce and keep bouncing and bouncing.
Let's see.
Bouncing pigs. There's a picture of a bunch of slime blocks. And then the pigs are like bouncing.
And there's a meat. There's a pig meat.
Okay.
It said put code in the on chat event to make a pool full with slime. The pool should spawn from -20, 0, -20 to 20, 0, 20.
Okay, so we're going to do
fill with
blocks. Fill with, and we're going to change the grass block to a slime block.
Slime is a slurp. Slime. There.
So it'll bounce.
From -20, 0, and -20 to 20, 0, 20.
So it'll be like a platform of slime blocks.
Then add an event to run code when the player bounces.
So
player.
So we're going to do bounce.
Right there. Then add code to spawn a pig about the player
on bounce.
So
they'll spawn. See a pig. Where's
piggy?
They'll spawn a pig.
Okay.
At 0,
20,
0. So it won't like at right where.
To make things fun,
pick a
random position
where the pig will spawn.
Okay.
So the pigs will spawn somewhere above you. So it won't spawn directly on your feet.
Negative
or else
20.
It won't bounce.
Negative. Let's see. Make sure. Negative 10.
Negative 10.
Then 20. Negative 20.
Negative 10.
Okay.
Then
10, 20, 10. They all have to end with a 0.
Yeah, okay.
Go to Minecraft, press enter, and type slime.
Then bounce on the slime. Okay. So now
let's add some more fun to repeat time.
So we'll spawn more pigs. Let's do
50? How about 30 first? 30.
30 each time the player bounces. Okay, now let's see it in Python.
Let's go. Python.
Yay! Okay, so define on traveled bounce. So when you bounce, for index and range 30, so as a repeat, mobs.spawn pig, then a random position, -10, 20, -10, and 10, 20, 10. The player on travel, and when the player bounces, it'll run the traveled bounce.
That's on chat.
So blocks.fill, slime block, position -20, 0, -20 to 20, 0, 20. Then fill operation.replace, so it'll replace the blocks around you. And then player.onChat run. When you type run in chat, it'll run the function.
Okay, now let's see.
G,
run.
Ooh. Okay, we're bouncing. The agent is stuck in.
There you go, agent.
Whoa, so many pigs.
I should replace that.
Let's see around. There's so many pigs. They're bouncing too.
Oh, there's a baby pig.
And the pigs are bouncing just like bouncing pigs.
Okay, let's get out of here to see how many pigs are there. Alright, you keep bouncing. If you keep bouncing, there's more pigs coming.
Okay, I'm gonna push through the pigs. I'm getting slow because there's slime that makes me slow.
Okay.
And the pigs. The pigs are bouncing on top of the pigs.
Yeah, kind of
because
funny. Hey, jump again.
Let me get out of here. And the pigs are still.
A lot of pigs are dying.
The pigs are still spawning.
Wow.
How are they still spawning?
Huh?
They're spawning for. Hey. All stuck.
I think I know what to do now. What? Too many pigs. We need to go to the coding.
I gotta see. What
I go back to the blocks. Okay.
What shall we do?
Fill over here. Yeah. Mob. All I can hear is oink, 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 oink.
There's a bunch of bouncing and pig sounds.
Wait, let me see. Where is it? Okay, there's okay, we're gonna chat run. Run. everybody.
It's fun. There's
There's
so many meat.
Wait.
There's still one pig. Maybe the pig just spawned.
Is this it?
Maybe. Wow, a lot of meat. We could eat a lot.
We're collecting while eating. I think we're... Okay. If you could count the meat...
They're dropping.
I'm eating pork chop. Wow.
Hello, piggy.
We have more than 64.
Yeah. There's a lot of pigs.
Okay.
Hello, piggy.
You want some? You want some? You want some?
No, I don't want some.
Oh, well. Let's go. Oopsies. I broke a little hole. Oh, no, we bounced again. Oh, you bounced again. Okay, let's see some pigs go in here.
There's already a pig in there.
Oh, there's a big pig. Hello.
Baby. Hello, baby again.
Huh? I can see some shadow
Yeah,
there.
the shadows go through the slime blocks. Okay.
Oh, there's a pig right there.
Well,
That was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.